Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Life of Indian Mom in Singapore. So today we are ready to explore Zurong Bird Park. Well, it's not so far from our place, but still we hire taxi to reach there. That's our pickup and drop off area for taxi. So this is the entrance area of park and we cannot buy on-spot tickets for safety regulations. We have to book tickets before only through many sites available. We booked our ticket by Lazada and it cost around 24 Sing dollar for an adult and 13 Sing dollar for kids under 12 years. It starts from Penguin Coast area. So to give them homely environment, they made indoor area where temperature are kept at 10 to 15 degrees centigrade and a special lighting system recreating the four seasons helps penguins maintain their biorhythm. This is the area where they kept all the penguins. I find in this way children can learn easily about habitat, culture of birds or any other species. Let's move on. Here we were waiting for the tram, so click some selfies. Now Bird Park is divided into 4 chambers where we are right now at tram station number 1 and off we go to tram station number 2. There are so many attraction points. Some are Royal Granby, Windows on Paradise, treetops and many more. So the cost for the tram ride is 5 Sing dollar for an adult and 3 Sing dollar for a kid, and you allowed to get down in each station and again hop on for next tram, or you can continue your ride as well without getting off. If you are comfortable with walking to explore the bird park, then go ahead, no need to take any tram tickets.
Is home to some of the most beautiful birds. The birds of paradise are known for their watching displays, magic tunes, dances, and calls. We are about to make our first stop visit African treehouse.
So we have reached at tram station number 2 and there we discovered so many beautiful birds. Some of them look so similar but their voice and behavior are different. One of the bird called trumpeter hornbill, his voice like an human being laughing so loudly. She got squirrel voice.
你要学啊。
This bird enjoying his feast. Birds of Paradise, where we went, but that was nesting time for birds, so we couldn't get through the birds. And we board tram again for next station, which was Waterfall Aviary, and it's world's tallest man-made indoor waterfalls with a beautiful scenic view. Some of the birds we can find here are crested guinea-fowl, crown pigeon, purple glossy, etc. Here is tram station number 4, Paradise of Parrots. Main attraction were macaw, golden conure, pelican sun parkit. There were some shows available for certain time period like Kings of the Skies, High Flyers, but that day due to full capacity we couldn't see the shows. Maybe next time. Now we reached the place from where we board, and just after getting off, Eliza wanted to see Flamingo Lake. It's just near, so we went there and see what happened here. Yes, it's true. Afia used to stand in that way only. After that, we all were hungry, so going towards food court area. Although Pizza Hut also nearby, but this time we thought of try some local cuisine, and it was really good. Well, here we got to know if you have annual pass for entry in park, so they were offering 20% discount on the food. That card can be used for Singapore Zoo, River Safari as well, Bird Park, but that time we didn't apply for that. Hopefully next time. Got some stickers and wristband for kids and some keychains from there, as I love to collect these items from shop. Hope you like and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Will be see you all in my next video hopefully. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.